In Premiere, the volume of the audio clips is shown in the audio meters, which should display near the timeline. If the audio meters aren't displayed, navigate to Window, Audio Meters to open it. When a clip is played, the audio meters will bounce to indicate the volume level. The top of the meter, 0 decibels, is the loudest. The average volume level should be in the -12 to -6 decibel range, especially during clips that contain dialogue. If the meter consistently hits the top and turns red, the volume is too loud and the levels of the clip need to be decreased. This is called peaking or clipping, and the audio will sound distorted. The audio volume in the timeline can be adjusted for all the clips in an entire track, as well as separately for each clip. To adjust the volume of a single clip in the timeline, right-click the clip and select Audio Gain from the pop-up. Then, enter a number in the Adjust Gain By field. Enter a positive number to increase the decibel, or negative to decrease. When done, click OK. The height of the waveform for the clip will update accordingly. To adjust the volume for an audio track, navigate to Window, Audio Track Mixer, which will open a new tab. Then, use the volume slider to adjust the volume level for each audio track as desired. To separate audio from a video clip, right-click the clip in the timeline and select Unlink. The audio can now be independently edited and moved. More information about Premiere, including audio keyframing, can be found in our other videos, as well as the PLU knowledge base.